Everyone talks about big data, and yet no one really wants to define what big data is.
I mean, what exactly is big data?
Big data.
Big data. Well, there's no clear definition.
I know it's a big buzzword out there.
Big data, big schmata. We've always been about big data.
Big data means to me the new reality, or the biggest challenge that organizations are going to face moving forward.
Big data means to me what big data means to my clients. So I think depending on who I'm working with, big data can mean different things. And what's one person's big data may be somebody else's little data.
In our case, we're dealing with 56 billion rows. We have to make sure that it's responsive. No one's going to wait for a web page to load for a minute. Everything has to be very fast.
It's really all about agility. Big data is infinitely more agile than regular data. Relational data or otherwise structured data takes a very long time to model and process, but with a big data, especially when it's based on Hadoop systems, you can basically load and go.
People talk about it in terms of variety and velocity, and volume.
Big data to me, in the hospital setting, means volumes of data, but it also means the ability to go in and take things like images or x-rays, scans, take the data that it shows us and provide the value and the meaning as to what's really behind what we're looking at.
Big data by itself is meaningless. It's just a bunch of bits and bytes. Because unless you analyze this data, it has no business value whatsoever.
At Information Builders, when we look at big data, what we see is not a confusing mishmash of different acronyms, but really it's another opportunity for the customer, for a person, for an enterprise, to be able to take advantage of this wealth of knowledge of information that's available to them.
So if you can figure out how to leverage platforms like Information Builders to make better business decisions quicker, you're going to be one step ahead of your competitors.